Are you thinking about buying a new construction home in Cedar City? I know a lot of you are because nearly half of the sales in our market right now are new construction. And I have great news. You have more options than ever before. From low maintenance courtyard homes to custom luxury estates, golf course communities, acreage with animal rights, and outdoor focused neighborhoods. So instead of asking, what's the best subdivision? I think the better question is, what lifestyle are you looking for? Today, I'm taking you through some of Cedar City's most popular new construction communities and helping you decide which one might be the right fit for you. If you're looking for less maintenance and more freedom to travel, these communities should be on your radar. The Courtyard at Shurtz Canyon offers detached courtyard style homes designed for homeowners who want easy living without sacrificing quality or outdoor space. Blackstone Townhomes provides a great entry into homeownership or investing while still offering modern finishes, convenient access to shopping, recreation, and schools, and they allow short-term rentals. Thunderbird Garden Estates is a great option for buyers who appreciate golf course living, mountain views, and kind of a lock and leave lifestyle. These communities are especially popular with retirees, second home buyers, investors, anyone who wants to spend less time maintaining a yard, more time enjoying southern Utah. If your dream is all about outdoor adventure, these communities definitely deserve a closer look. Trails at Shurtz Canyon is one of the most exciting developments currently underway in Cedar City. Located, of course, near Shurtz Canyon, this community was designed around outdoor recreation, scenic views, and neighborhood connectivity. Residents enjoy quick access to hiking, biking, ATV trails, and some of the most incredibly beautiful scenery Southern Utah has to offer. For buyers looking for elevated views and larger custom lots, the Estates at South Mountain offer some of the most impressive home sites in the area. And of course, Saddleback Ridge combines custom home flexibility with generous lot sizes and beautiful mountain views. There are lots available, as well as some impressive spec homes. If waking up to mountain views and having adventure right outside your front door sounds appealing, these communities should definitely make your short list. When people ask me where they can find acreage and animal rights close to Cedar City, actually in Cedar City, 4B Ranch is usually one of the first communities I recommend. It's zoned RE or residential estate. 4B features large lots, stunning views, and room for horses to make this one of the most unique developments in the area. You should also check out Magnolia Fields, which offers a more rural atmosphere while still providing convenient access to town, with single family as well as townhome options. This is definitely worth a look. And located in nearby Scenic, Valley Gate provides opportunities for buyers who want more space and maybe a quieter setting. These neighborhoods are ideal for buyers who want room to spread out and enjoy a little more country living. Now, there are a couple of subdivisions that deserve a mention for affordability. Point West has become a popular choice for buyers looking for attainable new construction options. Designed as twin homes, they have consistently been at a very attractive price point. And Old Sorrel Ranch offers a mix of home styles and price points, making it appealing to first-time buyers and growing families alike. Their townhomes are sold out, but the single-family subdivision continues to offer some really great options. Really great options if you're trying to balance budget, quality, and modern features. These communities are definitely worth exploring. Black Sage offers modern floor plans, attractive architecture, convenient access to I-15, and many of their floor plans feature basements, either finished or unfinished, to provide flexibility with cost and finishes. And of course, we've got to mention Iron West, which has become one of the fastest growing subdivisions in Cedar City, with multiple builders offering a wide variety of floor plans and price points. Iron West offers everything from townhomes to some beautiful mid-priced homes, and it really has become one of the most popular subdivisions in this area. Painted Desert, also worth checking out, features newer homes that appeal to buyers looking to move into their next stage of homeownership. They offer a number of floor plans and some really great customizations. If your family needs more space, newer finishes, and room to grow, these communities definitely deserve a closer look. Now, let me talk to my custom and luxury buyers. The The customizable floor plans at Trails at Shurtz Canyon are really a hit with our buyers. Many floor plans and a builder willing to work with your dreams create a beautiful home with views that are truly unmatched. The estates at South Mountain offer some of the area's most impressive home sites, with some lots going up to an acre, and also really great views. Prairie at South Mountain is a brand new subdivision and provides opportunities for buyers seeking custom or maybe semi-custom home construction. The Cliffs at Sunrise is part of the Iron Horse development and features premium view lots and kind of a more exclusive feel. These are lots that you purchase and then bring your own builder. Located very close to the Providence Center, a great opportunity next to some of Cedar's best amenities. And one more mention for Saddleback Ridge, as it does continue to be a favorite for buyers wanting custom home flexibility. The truth is, there isn't one perfect subdivision for everyone. The best community for you depends on your lifestyle, your budget, and your long-term goals. Some buyers want acreage and animal rights. Some want low maintenance living. Others want mountain views, outdoor recreation, or a custom dream home. That's why it's important to compare all of your options before making your decision. If you're considering new construction anywhere in Cedar City, Iron County, Southern Utah, I've put together a complete builder and subdivision comparison guide that includes our current inventory, builder information, and community highlights. Comment new construction below. Send me a message, give me a call. I'll be happy to send that over. And if you'd like a personal tour of any of these communities, my team and I would love to help. I'm Jennie Hendricks. We'll see you soon.